How to duplicate clips in your CapCut on PC. So this is going to work for either Mac or laptop. So there's two things you can do is make sure that you have the clip selected that you want to duplicate or copy. So if you're on a Mac, you can use the hotkeys. So you can go Command C. And then it's important to know wherever this cursor is, wherever this timeline thing is, that's where the clip will come up. So you want to hit Command V, and that clip will pop up anywhere that this cursor lands. So we can go ahead and delete that. And what you can do is select the clip and go up to Edit and hit Copy. And again, we could pick a different spot for this. And all you have to do is hit Edit again and hit Paste. So that's it. That's very simple, very simplistic, and being able to duplicate your clips or videos on CapCut. And that's it.